When you land on freehosting.com, the promise is bold and clear: 100% free hosting with no forced ads. At first glance, the interface looks dated, but functional. Signing up is fairly straightforward, though the confirmation email took longer than expected to arrive. Once inside the dashboard, the cPanel experience is similar to what you find with many paid providers, though noticeably slower in response. Freehosting.com offers 10 gigabytes of disk space and unmetered bandwidth, which sounds generous for a free service, but there's a big catch: no support for custom scripts like Node.js, and no automatic installer for apps like WordPress. You have to manually install almost everything, which might be fine for developers, but not ideal for beginners. The upload speed using FTP was average, not particularly fast but not painfully slow either. However, it became clear that server performance isn't consistent. Some days the load times were decent, while at other times the server lagged heavily even with basic HTML pages. There are additional limitations that aren't obvious on the homepage. Email services are not included unless you pay, and SSL certificates are not part of the free package, which is a major downside in 2025, when HTTPS is essentially a must-have. The uptime, based on multiple days of testing, was around 96%, which is below the industry standard. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, Ultihost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer support is only available via ticket system, and response times vary wildly. One query was answered within a few hours, another took more than 2 days. It's worth noting that the support was polite and generally helpful once they did reply. If you're just learning web development or testing basic web pages, freehosting.com might still serve a purpose, but for anything client-facing or professional, the risks are significant. Lack of SSL, limited scripting capabilities, and uncertain performance make it hard to rely on this service long-term. While it's technically free, the hidden costs come in the form of time, frustration, and functionality you can't access without upgrading. There are upsides though: no ads, a decent amount of storage, and a relatively clean control panel. If you're aware of the trade-offs and willing to work around the limitations, freehosting.com could serve as a stepping stone while you explore better hosting solutions elsewhere. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and tutorials.